Hello, everyone. Welcome to another moment in the life of me. I'm Tesia, and it is Wednesday evening, and I'm not at my house. No, this isn't another room. I'm at my boyfriend's house, and he is in a different room, for he is camera shy. And today, I thought I'd introduce you guys to Thor, his dog. Wait. Come here. Say hi, Thor. Hi. Oh, yes. Isn't he adorable? He's adorable. Yeah. Okay. Well, he's happy to have attention. Okay, I guess he's staying right here then, aren't you, Thor? I thought I would do something interesting. Well, I thought it was interesting. It's time for funny hats. Here I go. Or, not funny hats. It's just hat time. First up, this one is my boyfriend's hat. It's the Pokemon hat. Do you like the Pokemon hat, Thor? Do you like the hat? I think he likes the hat. Oh, my hair. Okay. And next up is this hat. Oh no, Thor, don't fall. Okay. I have a silly big hat. It is quite tall. My boyfriend got it at Comic-Con, I think. I think it was Comic-Con. Ooh, and my hair is even more crazy. Crazy. Okay, up next. Stay right here, though. Sheep hat. Ah, but wait, there's more. Oh no, of course, disappearing. Okay. I have a sheep. What is up with the sheep, you ask? I am Year of the Sheep, and the sheep has a pull string, and when I pull it, this is what happens. It vibrates. It doesn't really do anything, it's silly, but sheep. Sorry for the joke. Sheep. Oh, yeah. Okay. You may go, Thor. Okay. Next up. Pac-Man. Waka waka waka. Who happens to be the new character announced for the new Super Smash game. Speaking of Super Smash, I get to go to E3 tomorrow. Woo! You would call for? No. Cool sunglasses. But seriously, I'm psyched to go to E3. And it's official. My hair is all messed up. Not sure if you guys can hear me, but a plane just passed by. There's kind of an airport in the area. Ooh, everything looks fuzzy. Well, I'm going to E3 tomorrow, and tomorrow is my last final at 8 in the morning. And then I'm gonna head back down and then go to E3 after my final. So I'm happy about that. So I'll be reporting to you guys tomorrow my E3 going-ons. Until then, have a good evening, a wonderful Wednesday. Bye, everybody. I forgot to say, if you guys are wondering what shirt I'm wearing, it's the Winchesters. Supernatural fan as well. Got it online. Okay, now bye.
When I hold you in my arms, love, something changes. It's the strangest feeling, the things that used to matter